Boeing, the aviation giant, seems to be experiencing tumultuous days, largely due to its highly anticipated 777X, presented as the flagship of the next generation. Just when everything seemed to be falling into place for its launch, the company's CEO recently revealed a shocking announcement: additional delays, certification challenges, and a cascade of complications affecting airlines around the world. What truths lie behind the doors of Boeing? And most importantly, what implications does this have for the future of this revolutionary aircraft in the entire aerospace industry? The Boeing 777X is not just a simple technological advancement. It represents decades of research and development, building on a legacy that began in 1990 with the launch of the original 777 program. After several years of innovation, the aircraft made its inaugural flight in 1994 before entering the world of commercial aviation in 1995. With unmatched range, impressive size, and remarkable efficiency thanks to its two engines, the 777 has become one of the most sought-after airliners in history. Today, Boeing's vision for the 777X aims to redefine the long-haul flight experience. It is not just an update, but a total transformation of air travel. With a colossal wingspan of over 71 meters and the use of innovative composite materials, the 777X is designed to maximize energy efficiency. The need to incorporate folding wingtips, a first in the industry, showcases the ingenuity of the design, allowing the aircraft to maneuver through standard airport gates. The GE9X engines powering the 777X are the most advanced ever built, offering a 10% reduction in fuel consumption compared to previous models. This factor has become essential in a world where sustainability is more than just a trend. But innovation doesn't stop there. Boeing has also integrated cutting-edge technologies into the 777X design, featuring a more spacious and quieter cabin, with enlarged windows and sophisticated lighting to mitigate jet lag. The goal is clear: to make long-haul flights not only more comfortable, but also more enjoyable for passengers and airlines. The arrival of this new aircraft was supposed to mark a turning point in commercial aviation, replacing older models and positioning itself against the competition, notably Airbus's A350. Airlines like Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Lufthansa had placed massive orders, seeing the 77X as an opportunity to optimize their fleets and enhance the passenger experience. However, despite these promises, the path to the commercial service of the 777X has been fraught with obstacles. Recently, the CEO mentioned the current challenges facing the aircraft, generating concerns within the aerospace industry. Delays in the production timeline, initially set for 2020, could now push deliveries to as late as 2026. This situation raises questions. How did Boeing end up here? The answer lies in a series of complex factors. The heightened certification requirements imposed by the FAA following the incidents involving the 737 MAX, production interruptions due to supply chain disruptions, and unforeseen technical issues have all contributed to this status quo. Each challenge seems to spawn new complications, plunging Boeing into a true storm. These delays not only affect the company, but also the airlines eagerly awaiting the 777X. Emirates, one of the major customers, is counting on this aircraft to modernize its fleet and enhance its long-haul operations. Emirates President Tim Clark has expressed his frustration over these delays, highlighting the negative impact on operational planning. In response to these criticisms, former Boeing CEO David Calhoun emphasized the company's commitment to quality and safety, even if it means additional delays. However, this promise has not sufficed to assuage concerns, and Calhoun was replaced by Robert Isom, former president of Rockwell Collins. The challenge for Isom will be to restore trust in the company. Currently, Boeing's priority is to ensure that the 777X meets the high-quality standards associated with the company. In this post-737 MAX context, every mistake could have catastrophic consequences. As Boeing works diligently to overcome these obstacles, the future of the 777X remains uncertain. The company tries to frame its delays as a testament to rigor, but the pressure is mounting. Airlines and investors are concerned about Boeing's ability to manage such a complex project. Meanwhile, Airbus continues to gain ground with its A350, increasing the pressure on Boeing. However, some analysts believe that these delays could offer Boeing a valuable opportunity to refine the 777X, addressing any potential flaws and enhancing the final product. But stakeholders' patience is limited, and Boeing's reputation is at stake. One of the main obstacles lies in the certification delays with the FAA. The caution of global regulators, exacerbated by the 737 MAX crisis, is leading to further delays in the certification process. Although the 777X has already accumulated 2,000 hours of flight testing, every new technical obstacle detected adds to the pressure. Boeing is working closely with regulatory bodies to resolve these issues, but the rigor of inspections is further delaying entry into service. Additionally, technical challenges related to software integration, unforeseen structural adjustments, and supply chain disruptions have also had an impact. Despite these difficulties, Boeing strives to deliver an aircraft that exceeds expectations. This is not the first time the company has faced challenges, but the 777X represents a significant stake. History shows that Boeing has the capacity to bounce back, but time is running out. Boeing's leadership has openly acknowledged the problems related to the 777X, admitting to underestimating the complexity of building such an advanced aircraft. Unlike previous crises, the CEO of Boeing is demonstrating greater transparency, a crucial strategy for rebuilding trust after the 737 MAX scandal. Boeing insists that these delays will lead to a better and more reliable aircraft. They are viewed as an opportunity to refine production processes and integrate lessons learned. While this approach may strain relationships with airlines, it could also lead to a more robust final product, thereby avoiding the problems that have marked previous programs. Under pressure, Boeing is intensifying its quality assurance efforts, navigating between the need to meet deadlines and the need to regain the trust of airlines and investors. These delays also raise a broader question. How might these developments redefine Boeing's future in the aerospace industry and influence the market as a whole? Airlines are adjusting their expectations regarding the launch of the 777X, with some openly expressing their frustration. The delayed delivery schedules force airlines to rethink their long-term fleet strategies. Boeing's reputation is at stake, and how the company manages the 777X situation could have repercussions for its position in the aerospace industry for years to come. If Boeing can overcome these challenges and deliver a safe, reliable, and cutting-edge aircraft, it could restore some of the lost confidence.